and welcome back to one more important video for your Vizag Steel or RN recruitment 2020. So for the post of management trainee, we started our journey for Vizag in the month of Jan or Feb, right? Now your exam is already scheduled in 13th and 14th of December, as you know. Now how you should prepare for the exam is the main question, right? Till now, if you recall, our exam was first in March, then it will directly reschedule to December. Okay, so in between also I provide you 2 to 3 strategy videos regarding that, and also you follow that. That's very good. Now last 15 days, very crucial point for you. Okay, doesn't matter whether you study for last 4 month or 5 month. Okay, this 15 days is very important, and in this 15 days how you should prepare. Okay, and for Vizag still you have test series, and what is the schedule of test series, and with test series you have some surprise also. Okay, so you will love this surprise with the test series. So first of all, I want to say you sorry because a little delay in uploading this video, because as you are aware that one issue is going on regarding NSC recruitment, that paper is leaked. Okay, so handling that also, so that's why getting little delay, but it's okay. Now we will start with our discussion. So first thing I want to tell you, or I want you to see this. Okay, for what vacancies you are fighting for Vizag Steel recruitment. Okay, so whether your category you are OBC, so these are your numbers. So from this you want one seat, and for this one seat we will study very hard for next 15 to 20 days now, right? So just keep this number in your mind. Now, the very important thing regarding Vizag Steel recruitment, you should always remember, okay, that is 50% in each section. As you are already unaware that there is no negative marking, right? So negative marking is nothing. There is no negative marking, but this criteria is very important for you. So this you should take care. That is in technical part. Let me change this color. So in technical part, out of 100, 50 marks compulsory you have to get, and in FT also you should get 50 marks to qualify. Okay, so means 100 marks are minimum marks that is compulsory required to be in competition, right, out of 200. And also you know that your exam time is 150 minutes. Okay, so this is the minimum criteria you should take care in your mind, so that because of this only, okay, Vizag still have some different strategy. Okay, which you should apply in the test series, which is designed as per this only, and then only you will get the maximum chances of getting selection, right? Okay, now before going to the subject wise strategy, let me tell you one thing, that two videos are there. Okay, one video is for electronics, electrical and instrumentation student, that detailed syllabus is mentioned. Okay, second video and third video, that interview video, okay, for Vizag Steel. So those who didn't see that, you can watch that video. Okay, so all the three videos I will link at the end of this video. Okay, so at the end of this video you can watch that three videos. Now let's come to our important point. So for maths and reasoning, these are most important point you should focus only. Okay, don't take any other points or topics, just focus on this topic which are very important, that is from percentage to partnership, and here also clock to inequality. In this category, okay, DI will be there, data interpretation. So just you have to see data interpretation on percentage, ratio, average, ages. Okay, just 4 DIs you have to see and practice. Obviously this will be included in test series, so no issue in that. Just add puzzle in it. Okay, because you will get puzzle also, so you have to add puzzle with it. Okay, now in the preparation receipt video I already told you which book you should refer and all these things. Okay, so you can watch that video in detail if you again want it, and if you didn't want that video at that time, so now also you can watch at the end of this video. And here also for reasoning, just do this enough. Okay, no need to do extra things. Now the most important thing is general awareness, right? For English also you have to do basics of grammar. Okay, so for that also you can use a book, any book, just do basics. And for synonym antonym, whatever the in group I am sending you regular word of the day and all this, so you can read that. Okay, no, just don't invest in extra time on this. because it not work, because you know that in synonym antonym there are lots of things, right? So that's why. Now in general awareness, the most important thing is current affair, right? You should have one question, that how to do current affair and till how much month should you complete the current affairs. Now I will tell you where you should get the current affairs. Okay, so first you have to come to our website apnagovernmentjob.org, right? The link is given in description. So in that, just click on current affair section, come to this current affair. Okay, now see here you will see 2020. So just click on this arrow. Now you will see monthly current affairs, November, October, September, like that. So you have to do complete November. Okay, till 10th of December you have to read the current affairs. Just note it down till 10th of December. Okay, 8 to 10 December you can read. After that, stop reading current affairs. So obviously it will be updated in the website, so don't worry about that. So November complete, October complete, September complete, and August complete. Okay, if you have any extra time, then you can read July, June till January, because you know last 12 months current affair you should read, right? But these are most crucial. Till July properly just read. Okay, now if you click on this arrow, then you will get current affair daily current affairs. Okay, and if you suppose I am clicking on 17th of November, then here I am getting 17th of November current affairs. Okay, read more. So see, each section of current affair is there. Okay, so just quickly read. I think hardly to read it and to note down a important thing, it will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes, right? So just you can read quickly. Okay, and then one by one you should complete that things. So like this you will study current affair. Okay, so no issue in that. Now I hope that your current affair tension is gone now, that how to read and when to read. Okay, so all the things I told you already, so like that also you can read. This is your 31st October. So see, like that all the things are well organized, so don't worry about that. Just you have to read and mark important point. Okay, so now this is about current affairs study. Okay, next thing, our masterclass series will be started soon on the channel. Okay, maybe from tomorrow or day after tomorrow. In that, important general awareness. Okay, in this all the things, history, geography, all these things are there, so you have to follow that series rigorously till your exam. Okay, and last thing, if you complete with syllabus of your Vizag Steel, that is your technical and non-technical part, then I will recommend you to study economics and polity, because in exam you can expect the question from economics and polity. So this thing you can read from Lucent also. Okay, there is no issue in that. So just read from Lucent and some solve some questions, that will be enough. Okay, so like this you will study the general awareness part. So I hope you know the pattern. Okay, for Vizag Steel they directly give non-tech portion as 100 questions and tech portion as 100 questions. Okay, so in this non-tech questions, our assumption is maths will be 25, reasoning will be 25, English will be 25, and GK or general awareness will be 25. Okay, so like this is our assumption, and yes, it will be there. So that's why study like this only. Now the most important thing is our test series, which will start from tomorrow. Okay, now important thing is that our test series is only for currently mechanical, electrical, and ECI. Okay, so if you are from any other branch and you want test series, then you have to mail to apnagovernmentjob@gmail.com. Okay, just mail there with your branch, and if sufficient number of candidate is there, then yes, we will work on that. Okay, don't worry about that. So important thing is that in this test, 3 quality tests you will get. Okay, total 600 questions which are very important for you. Just now NIC paper we completed. Okay, and in that you can say for aptitude, okay, 100% same pattern from our test series came, and for technical you can say 80%. Okay, for NSA exam. So that's why I am designing this test very crucially, and each test you will get after 1 week. Okay, so there is sufficient time in that. Now for first test it will be available tomorrow. Okay, timing will be, I will give to our WhatsApp group and YouTube community channel. Okay, so check on that, you will get receive the notification. Also if you are on Telegram, then also you will get that. So after, and second test is on your Sunday, and third test is your Sunday. So only 3 tests. Okay, and proper gap is there, and all the things which is required for your best preparation are there, that is detailed solution, doubt solving. Okay, ask doubt button is there. ask doubt. So you can use that button and you can ask the doubt regarding the question. Okay, you can bookmark the question, those question in which you are failing to attempt that question or you got negative marking, then you can bookmark it. Okay, detailed report analysis will be there. Okay, detailed report you will get, and test series validity is your 13 December. Now the main thing is your surprise. So what will be the surprise, right? Now for Vizag Steel, first time I am adding, okay, with this test series mentorship program I am attaching with. So in this mentorship program, what I will do, I will closely means in I will personally contact you. Okay, we will discuss your weak point, your strong point, what should we you do, what should you not do. Okay, all the things we will discuss, and till the exam day, okay, till the exam day I will be there to guide you properly. See, because sometimes what happens, we study, we also analyze the report, but someone who already on that part, okay, that can guide you better. That's why this mentorship is very okay. There is no charges obviously in that. Just I want to guide you guys and want some quality person to serve a nation, right? So basically for mechanical 10 people will be there, for electrical 10 people, and for ECI 9 10 people will be there. Okay, now how these people get selected? So see, when you will purchase the test series, then there you will enter your mail ID. Okay, you have to verify that mail ID, because on the verified mail ID only our system it will do. Suppose out of 200 students, okay, out of 200 students it will automatically filter out this 10 student. Okay, 10 mechanical, 10 electrical, 10 ECI, and it will then we will send you mail and all the things in that mail only. Okay, all the details you will get there in the mail. So it is just random filtration, because I don't know. Okay, because see, to give all the 200 student mentorship is not possible for me. As you know, I am handling lots of things. Okay, only one man army, right? So that's why I want to properly focus on these 30 people and want that they will get the seat in Vizag Steel 2020. Okay, so random selection will be there. So just verify your mail ID while purchasing the test series, which is very important for you. Okay, so this is your surprise, and yes, we will definitely make it very clear and very crisp for your preparation. So don't worry about that. So this is all about your Vizag Steel 2020 recruitment. Okay, I hope you got all the things, and now it's time for study. It's time for hard work. So those who are new to the channel, they can subscribe, and now you will get the videos here. Okay, all the 3 videos you will get here. So you can watch that video. Just watch that, go through that video properly, and you will get lots of information regarding that. Okay. So any other update from Vizag Steel, I will definitely provide you. Don't worry about that. And now, if you think any query you have, any comment want to do, then comment down below and join our WhatsApp group to get all the update of Vizag. Okay, so let's start our study now. And yes, for test series link is also in description, so you can check that also. All the best.